She is the aura woman of our club. She is a influencer with more than 11,000 followers on Instagram, and she spreads aura and brings out aura in others. And be careful, she can read people. She is none other than Toastmaster Durga. Toastmaster Durga, living beyond extraordinary. Living beyond extraordinary, Toastmaster Durga.
So, can we have slides from
Please.
So, good morning everyone. A happy morning actually to all the Toastmasters and dear guests. So, I have a question for you. Have you ever took a personality test of yours? Great. So, I know a person who actually made her own life interesting with this personal test. So, I just want you to listen carefully and guess who it is. Okay? And yeah, so next we have a girl who actually realized she is a protagonist when she took a personality test. So, but she didn't knew what actually it is. Going through years, she realized how actually she is a protagonist, wherein it changed her life and it changed her vision. So there are few things made herself to understand. First, she understood that she is a fighter. Because she was not born normal. She actually had a spine issue and leg issues and yeah, few things. But their parents, it was not easy for them. They stood up and they made her to live beyond what is expected by the society. And towards the end, she actually realized herself boundaries are not the thing with just health issues. Beyond that, she tried herself to be in a position where world is not able to recognize what she had in behind. So that is the best achievement she had. And next, altruistic. Do anyone know what altruistic is? Yeah. So we all have been through the situations where we put ourselves behind and others forward. For our parents, for our friends, for many of us. At the same time, she was the same person. She left her own dreams behind in the childhood and she didn't have anyone to share with. But towards the end, she ended up with a very good circle, having pampered and having care because she never put herself first over others. I think this is the best quality which all of us have. And next comes visionary and organized. So this is where she realized it's not just a experience with one single day. She has a vision to the whole life. Like even though she is like giving a speech somewhere or even though she is laughing somewhere, she has something behind to actually get through. So she has a vision and that was not after the career part but also when she was a childhood already because all the things behind made her so much stronger and actually organized. So supportive and responsible, I would say she experienced a journey where her journey started with independent life because I would say all would actually relate imagining a independent life when we are in college. So in college, it's a really big thing if we actually take a chocolate with our own money. So yeah, I mean that's the thing where she also realized supportive and responsible thing. And next comes charismatic. yeah, she is an instructional designer, and she is a influencer in Instagram. It's not like she's just, I'm not exaggerating it, but not just because she's a girl, but actually she has something there, so that she is actually reaching out people over there. And next, idealistic. So this is where she actually made herself to get into Toastmasters. So in Toastmasters, her journey actually began today. Do you actually, I mean, who the person is actually?
Wow, so difficult question.
And yeah, and next I would say uh, personality test is very important, because I would proudly say that I understand myself better, and we all should, because world is mess. If you don't know about yourself, world gonna kill you, and kill the world before the world kills you. So yeah, keep smiling. And yeah, do you understand what's this? Because I just wanted you to get from your side when you say this.
Giving 100% out of effort to get 120%.
Total is 140.
Kind of, yeah. So I would say in our whole life we are actually giving so much of efforts, and we are giving ourselves to the utmost. So, but we are forgetting giving everything to our soul. So give 20% at least to your soul. 120% of nature and soul gives back to you. Because the example I would say in Toastmasters, we had many situations, and today also I had a situation to cancel this, but all the other things got faded out, and I am here. So yeah, so living beyond extraordinary is very much important, because we are already extraordinary.